Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it's July 4th. Happy Independence Day to those of you that live in America. And here we are, hashtag Jelly Postcard Play. So we are going to get started on our July 4th card. So I'm just going to give that a little, needs a little something something. And the back this time is not going to be the postcard. It's going to be just this side of the cardstock. So let's start getting this postcard put together. Okay, just going to give this a little glue stick. And let's pop that down kind of in the corner. That's what I'm thinking with this. Oh, scooch it down a little bit. Okay, there's that. I want to put this piece here. So we'll put that right there. Like so. And then this is kind of chipboard, so it's going to go on with art glitter glue. But I think I'm going to put it kind of like this. I'm going to put this here. And I'm going to put the number 4 there. So something like that. What I'm going for. So let's go ahead and get the 4 glued down. And again, I'll use this art glitter glue on those chipboard pieces to make sure they stick to. Okay. So there we go there. And let's just give this a good bit of glue. This is going to be a thick postcard because these are thick pieces. But again, as along with Ceri's challenge, I'm also challenging myself to use up some things in my craft room while doing this. So I hope you'll craft along with us, you know. The more the merrier, I would say. And just use hashtag jelly postcard play. And you'll be part of the group. Okay, so there is number 4, July 4th. Happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. Thanks so much for watching. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.